Hi. Clean face. This is the one that I have used. Okay. And this is the liquid. It seems like after how many days? About a week time. My first time using it, this is January 1st, so today is the 14th. Yeah, let's see. Have some pimples because eating something I'm not supposed to eat, like chips. Okay, let me see. I can't see. They have the direction where to peel this cap off. So this. Okay. Then I off this things first. You can see it covered. Okay, it's like needle, fine needle like of plant. And then the other one is the muscle tonic solution. Okay, you should just mix it in. So they come with this thing. As I mentioned, this thing doesn't smell nice at all for me. It is very liquidy right now. You can see it's dripping. Okay. It's quite runny right now. And then I will layer it until I finish all these things into my face. And I will massage it with my finger. Then I will fast forward the process. like this, I can feel like I can't say it's painful, but it's like a tiny needling, needle pinching, especially like this area. Not really pleasant feeling. Just now when I use the brush, I can't feel a thing of this needling. That's why they want you to massage it with your fingers. Wow, this is the worst area. The most sensitive area. Even here. I think if the people who used to using the needle roller, they will not find this difficult or annoying or whatever. And now just need to wait until it's dry and wash off. So I will come back later before I wash it off. Okay, let you see how it's look like when it's dry. Okay, now it's all dry. It's very tight. So when I wash it away, I have to, seems like most of the mask, just wet it first. Then to wash it away. Okay, I'll be back. So now it's washed and you can see it's getting red on this part. My lighting is no battery, and so this is the other set that come in the same box, and this is to reduce the redness. This is the powder form. So I think before I'm leaving Hong Kong, I'm able to finish the whole set, because the whole set come in 3 sets actually in total. So I think I put the powder first. Oh, no, forgot. See? I put the liquid into the jar. Yeah. It's become transparent. Where is it? Because the brush I'm using is not able to dip in, okay, so I have to use the same but I'm thinking, like, would it be easier to do it in I think last time I do it in my own way. I think I have to buy the cotton pad that you can peel in pieces. Yeah, it's easier because it's runny. That's from Muji. Bought it a long time ago. Don't know how much it costs right now. This is 35, I think, Hong Kong dollars for a pack. Just drop it in, and it will absorb all the water, the liquid. And sometimes I just use some, if you have some toner, which is moisturizing or calming toner, I will use this method. You can see the lotion is not that much. Actually, it's come with an applicator, like something you can just cover and pull it out. But I just use this way. So it's almost dry out. And actually it's come with this applicator. So that suppose after I mix the things, that I just put it like this to drip it out. Yeah. So it's calming a little bit. Then it says, like, after that I just use whatever, like, simple skincare products. You can see a lot of, yeah, especially here. Okay, so that's it for my mask update. But next time I will try on the other Chinese herbal mask, the whitening. But that one I have to wait until after I start peeling. I think the 3rd days after I peels, something like that. That means at least a week time before I can use that one. Okay, so it's after I fast forward everything, this will not be a long video. So take care, stay safe.